Good morning, everybody. Here is the Figment 6-minute writing mini workshop on basically using a writing prompt to get your creative writing started. So this is what I call the Wellspring technique, or the 6-minute writing technique, and it's about helping you to break down any creative writing blocks, and it can also be used as a warm-up to larger creative writing projects. So the deal is you use a little prompt to help open up your imagination a little bit rather than just write straight off the top of your head. And it can often be surprising where it takes you. So feel free in the comments to share where it has taken you. It's amazing how many different ideas that one prompt can have in a group of people. So your prompt for today is sip. And I've decided that this morning because that's all I've managed. I've been in a rush again this morning. It's all I've managed to have of my cup of tea. So get your notebook and your pen or pencil or your laptop or whatever you're using to write. Anything goes. And the advice I give is just to write and write and write. Don't edit. Don't worry about making any mistakes. This is just for you. It's not for sharing, unless you feel comfortable doing so, and for when you feel comfortable doing so. You cannot always edit it up in future. So your prompt for today is SIP, 6-minute writing. Wherever my phone's gone. Anyway, I'll use my watch. 6-minute writing, starting now. Okay, everybody, my watch is telling me that that is our 6 minutes up. If you want to continue on, go ahead, pause this just now. Once you're finished, take a step away, and it's always a good idea, I think, once you've finished a piece, to take a step away for whether it's a few minutes, a few hours, before you go back to edit it, sometimes a few weeks or a few months, just to give you that bit of distance, editorial distance. So you're looking at it objectively. Remember, when you're editing up a piece, it's about separating it off from yourself and your own experiences. That piece then lives on beyond you, and it's for other people. Every time somebody reads it, it's for them. So you want to try and brush it up, polish it up to be as good as possible, for the benefit of others, if you decide to share it for other people. So anyway, that was a tiny little tip there in editing. This is day 8 of the COVID-19 quarantine. I hope you're all doing okay. I think some of us are definitely starting to struggle off and on. Feel free to use these videos just to help take your mind off things. That seems to be how some people are using them. Wish you all the best with your various struggles, and know that I'm there for you, and that these videos are here for you too, which are a small thing, but they seem to be helping people. Thank you very much to those of you who, for so many kind comments saying that they have helped you. Wish you all a brilliant day. Stay safe and stay well, and do whatever you need to do to help you continue on through each day. All the best. Bye just now.